Creating high-quality 3D avatar videos used to require advanced skills and expensive tools, but not anymore. With this simple platform, anyone can do it.
Today, I'm going to show you an incredibly powerful AI platform where you can create 3D avatar videos with realistic voices like me.
Not only that, here you can also do different movements, animations, and real-time customizations for your character as you wish, which will make your videos realistic and dynamic. Whether you're a content creator, educator, marketer, or simply exploring the world of AI video creation, this tool makes it easy to turn your ideas into professional-looking videos. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you everything, from creating your account, setting up a virtual studio, customizing your 3D avatar, adding scripts, animations, voiceovers, media, and of course, exporting a fully polished video. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. So first, you have to create an account with your email and Google. When you create your account for the first time, Rendora gives you 300 free credits. To start making a 3D avatar video, click the Create button at the top of the screen. If you're just starting out, you can begin with a simple prompt. But if you want more control and options, scroll down and click the I'm Experienced button. From here, you can choose to start with Scratch, use a template, AI script, or even a PowerPoint presentation. For this tutorial, I'm starting from scratch. First, you need to select the aspect ratio for your video. I'm choosing the landscape option. After that, you'll see a default studio setup. You can change this template according to your needs. To do that, go to the Studio menu. Rendora offers a variety of studio templates in different categories such as marketing, medical, training, e-learning, and more. Choose the one that suits your video, and your studio setup will be ready. Next, it's time to select your 3D avatar. Go to the Avatar menu and choose one that fits your needs. If you want to personalize it, click the pencil icon to customize. You will see a library of outfits to choose from. Now, select an outfit that matches your video. In the Logo tab, you can even upload your own logo, like your YouTube channel or company branding. First, upload your logo and customize it as you like. Then move on to hairstyle. You can change both the style and color. After that, add some accessories like earrings or glasses if you want. You can also apply makeup by choosing the style that suits your video. Finally, you can customize the avatar's face. That includes adjusting the face shape, eyebrows, eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. Once you're happy with your design, click the Save button to apply the changes. Then, go back to the Generate page. Now it's time to add your script. If you already have a script, just paste it into the box. You can also upload a script in docs, and TXT formats. So, go to Writing Assistant and click Upload Script. Now, select your script and click Open. Once the script is uploaded, it will automatically apply it to different scenes. You will then find the script in the script library. Go to the Writing Assistant and click the library. Here you will find all the scripts you have uploaded. If your script is not applied automatically, select your desired script and click on the All button. Then you will see that it will be divided into different views according to your script. If you want to add more scenes, click the Add Scene. Here, you can go with a template and an empty one. Here you will find another option to enhance the script. If you want to enhance the script with Rendora AI, first select your scene, then click on the Enhance icon. Here you will get some options like AI Chat, Improve, Change Tone, Expand, Shorten, and Translate. Since I want to enhance the script, I'm selecting the Improve. You can go with any one as you need. After that, click the Replace button. Similarly, select the second scene and click the Enhance icon. Then click the Improve button and replace. Apply the same procedure to all scenes. To add animations to your character, first select your scene, select the part of the scene where you want the action to happen, then click the action button and choose a movement. Do this for all the scenes to make your avatar more dynamic. Now it's time to add media to your video. Click the pencil icon to add media. From here you can add text, shapes, images, icons, and videos. Plus, you'll find plenty of stock footage in the Images and Media tabs. There is another easy way to add media. To do this, go to the Media menu and select the Media mode. Click Add Scene. Here you will get different templates, My Media, PPT Media Library, videos, and images. Now upload your media and select your first media. To edit the media, click this pencil icon. Now, select your media and customize it to your liking. You can adjust the layout, position, scale, rotate, opacity, and more as needed. Again, select your next scene and add the assets you need. Repeat this process for all the scenes. I'm moving too fast on this part. To make this video more professional and for the advanced editing, first click the Generate button. The video is being rendered for the next step. This process may take up to a minute to complete. Once the video is created, you will see a preview on the editing page. This is the video editing page. From here, you can edit the video however you want. Okay, so let's start. Here you will see two options: Edit Shots and Element. First, go to Edit Shots. Here, you can adjust the camera angle for each scene. Select a scene from the bottom of the screen, then choose the shot you want. If you hover over any shot, you will see a preview like this. Again, select another one and choose the shot. Do this for all your scenes. When you're done, click the Back button. Now go to the Element tab. Here you can add background music, sound effects, subtitles, text styles, stickers, an intro, and an outro. In the Music tab, you'll find various tracks, or you can upload your own music from here. You will find different sound effects in the Sound Effects tab. In the Subtitles tab, pick a subtitle style that fits your theme. You can also customize the font, size, color, and more. Additionally, you can add a text template and a sticker if you wish. Next, select an intro and edit the text and logo. Then do the same for the outro. Once everything is set, click the Export button. Give your project name, choose the resolution and format you want, and finally click Confirm. Rendora will now render your video. It takes some time to complete the rendering. After it's done, you'll see the final preview, and your 3D avatar video is ready. Simply click the download icon to save it to your device.
And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover more AI tools like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Introducing your new travel companion, the Animating carry-on backpack, crafted for the modern explorer. Unzip to expand from a roomy 40L to an impressive 45L, perfect for weekends, business trips, and bringing back souvenirs. Looking for versatility? It's simple. Use it as a backpack. Tuck away the straps to turn it into a briefcase, or attach it to your suitcase for seamless navigation. Weighing just about 1 kilogram to 0.2 pounds, it's lightweight yet rugged, crafted from water-resistant polyester with lockable zips and reinforced seams. Stay organized with a clamshell main compartment, front phone and charger pockets, compression straps, a hidden anti-theft pocket, and even a dedicated shoe compartment. I am absolutely in love with the expandable feature. I packed my camera gear and clothes with ease. This fits in overhead bins perfectly, so there's no need to check a bag. Convertible briefcase style is a game changer in airports. Experience spaciousness, versatility, and durability, all at an incredibly affordable price. Elevate your travel game with the Animating carry-on backpack.